Bang bang, chicken kebabs, people. Let's get involved. Woo! Hello and welcome to BBQ Jams. I'm your host, Will Bloomberg, and tonight we are going to be cooking up some amazing bang bang chicken kebabs. We're also going to be making some vegetable kebabs to go along with it with some pineapple. It's going to be insane. It's going to be awesome. The bang bang sauce is very simple to make too. I'll show you guys how to make that in just a minute. So who do we have coming in tonight? Guys, we have Steve Wheeler, we have Bryce Powell, and we also have Kevin Peffer and myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So without further ado, let's get involved. So guys, we're going to be starting off with some veggie skewers before I get into the chicken. So essentially all I'm going to be using is some red onion, bell peppers, pineapple. I'm going to get this all prepped up. I'm going to pop them on the skewers. By the way, I'm pre-soaking my skewers for this cook tonight because I'm going to be cooking them on the Weber kettle. And we're going to be, we want to soak these for about 30 minutes before we put them on the grill. So it just helps them from burning. So anyway, without further ado, here we go. Okay, here we go. Jumping into our kebabs, our chicken bang bang chicken kebabs. So I've got 3 chicken breasts here. I'm going to be cubing them up into about the size of this piece of pineapple here. And you'll see here in just a second. And then I'm going to be making a rub for it. So you guys hold tight, here we go. Hey, while you guys are checking out the show and enjoying everything we're doing over here, give us a like and subscribe. We'd really appreciate that. And, you know, get involved. Everybody's doing it. It's a good time. And also go check out these jams, guys. They're incredible. These players are just insane. I'm so fortunate to have these guys over here and us playing and doing this whole thing. It's really like a dream come true. But you guys check it out. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Right, Jeff?
That's it.
All right, cool. So guys, I am using 6 whole chicken breast cubed up. This is the amount that I'm putting in as far as the rub goes. So here it goes. We're gonna do 3/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper. We're gonna be doing 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. So let's put it all together. Boom. I'm gonna give that a mix. Also, we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now it's time to go in for a mix. Okay, all right. I'm gonna throw some more seasoning in this. We're gonna skewer them up. We're gonna get the grill ready. So you guys hold tight, enjoy these jams. We'll be right back. Now we're going on to the kettle with our kebabs. We're gonna cook them until they're done. I'm gonna have them right on direct heat. So here we go. Boom. And just place them on. We're also going to be basting this chicken as we cook. So that bang bang sauce will be cooking right along with this. And make sure you keep an eye on them, keep turning them. Just keep turning, because if you don't turn, they're going to burn. All right, here we go. Super simple bang bang sauce. Here we go. 1 cup of mayonnaise, whatever you want. You can use blue plate, you can use Duke's, whatever you like. About a cup, right there. All right, cool. 1 cup of mayo. Red hot chili sauce. Thank you. We're gonna be using about a 1/4 cup of chili sauce. Guys, mix and match this however you like. That's what I'm going with.
Make it hotter.
Gonna go with, and so if you want to put some sriracha in, which I know Jeff does, you can put a splash of sriracha in there for a little bit of heat, which I'm gonna do.
Make it hotter.
I'm hooking up Jeff here. I'm gonna do a little squirty, squirt, squirt. There we go. Boom. All right. Now, time for the mix-up. Okay, now it's time to throw on some of that base. I'm gonna baste this chicken, this bang bang chicken right here, baby. Look at that. All right, there we go. Cool, looking great. We're gonna turn these here in just a second and baste it some more. Hope you guys are enjoying these jams. Like and subscribe. Come on, everybody, get involved. Here we go, everybody. We are all up to temp. We're pulling them. They're looking beautiful. They smell delicious. I can't wait to tear into these bang bang chicken kebabs, guys. Come on now. Y'all need to try these out. You're gonna love them. Woo, look at that. We're gonna throw on our vegetables, and we'll be seeing you guys back here in just a minute. You guys have fun. Keep rocking out with these jams, guys. Come on. Okay guys, veggies are coming off. We're getting ready to go ahead and party down with these bang bang chickens. Come on. All right, I'm gonna bring over some of my guests. We're gonna give this a shot, and yeah, let's get involved. Hey, so who wants to come over and try this bang bang chicken?
I'm down.
Bryce?
Kevin? Yeah.
Kevin?
Bryce, he's the new guy.
Bring them all.
Anybody
Hey,
else? Any takers?
bring them all.
Come on. Here we go. You know what? I'm just gonna give you your own kebab.
I'm like, just give them all a skewer, dude.
Come on, bro. Oh, dude, are you all in for a kebab?
Oh yeah, let's
Do you want the whole thing? You want me to peel you off some? What you
peel
want?
me off some.
All right, I'll peel you off some. I'll peel you off some.
I did have dinner.
Peel me off some. Peel me off some.
I know. I got you. I got
But
you.
here we go. There we go. Oh, that's good. That's good. No, that's good.
Okay.
We'll go.
Mikey Martin.
I can figure this out.
Hey.
That was a good catch.
That was nice, by the way.
Yeah, drop your meat.
Mikey, you want to come on over here? Martin, you want to come in?
Oh, yeah.
James Salzer?
Yeah.
All right, here. I'll hook you guys up here. I'm gonna go and just grab these like this. There's that.
Thank you, sir.
Martine, you coming in, sir?
Yeah.
Superb. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah?
Right
It's
there.
incredible.
Ah, nice.
So good.
I feel like.
Sorry.
There you go.
Aha.
Show the
James
camera
Salzer,
some
come
love,
on.
people. Show the camera some love. Yes, let's get involved with some chicken.
Yes.
Bang, bang, chicken,
This is
bang,
delicious.
bang, bang. Come on. I'm gonna go in for a little dippy too on the sauce.
Oh, it'll
You are a little dippy.
Amazing.
Oh,
that hit him.
Amazing. Come on, Bogart.
come on,
Very good.
I mean, Bogart's play.
come on, sauce.
Wait.
So what am I supposed to
Oh,
Slide the sauce over there.
check it out?
Just slide it to that side of the bar. There we go.
you're good.
There you go.
Grab a piece of chicken. You can dunk it in the bang bang sauce if you want.
Okay. I don't need a whole one of those.
Oh man.
Just grab some of the stuff that's cut off there.
Yeah,
There
there
you
you
go.
go.
All right. And then do this. My God.
We got the wind up
Oh,
going
man.
on here.
Bang bang chicken.
Whoa. Wow. Is that English?
Talk about a bang bang chicken, huh?
This is wonderful.
Yeah. All right.
So interesting.
Martine, what you think, Bubba?
It's incredible. I gotta be honest.
That is on point.
Smells great. Tastes
Right.
On
amazing.
point.
Bryce,
So good.
you're awfully quiet back there.
Can I do this?
goes on me.
My mouth is full.
That's good.
Woo, Lord. Nice. Guys, this is incredible. You want to get involved with some of this bang bang chicken, guys. Throw it on the grill, check it out. You guys, the sauce is super simple. You're going to love it. Come on. Hey guys, we had an excellent show tonight. The show was actually banging, and this chicken was banging too, by the way. Guys, I can't tell you enough how amazing this stuff is. It's super simple to cook. Try it. You're gonna love it. These jams tonight are killing it, guys. What do you think? Come on, everybody. Come on now.
BBQ Jams.
All right, guys. Hey, look, Derek entered. Thank you as always for the merch, dude. You're killing it, man. It's awesome. By the way, you can find this if you want to go to shopthemerchco.com. Correct, Jeff? Did I
That's
get that one right?
correct.
I
Good
can't believe
job.
it happens sometimes. Anyway,
It's the first one.
without further ado, like, subscribe. You know how to do it. Let's get involved, people. Come on. Yeah.
Barbecue James.
Barbecue Jams. I like that. All right, people. Oh, no. Let's go bigger. Flame on.